Euphorbia millii, also known as crown of thorns or Christ plant, is a plant that has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of conditions like skin ulcers, intestinal parasites, respiratory infections, body and skin irritations, inflammatory diseases, body pains, and microbiological ailments, snake and scorpion bites, hepatitis, and cancer. However, it's important to note that latex is toxic and can cause skin irritation, eye inflammation, and gastrointestinal discomfort if ingested or applied improperly. Euphorbia millii belongs to family Euphorbiaceae or Euphorbiaceae, also known as spurge family. This family includes a diverse range of plants from herbs or shrubs and trees, often characterized by milky latex, modified flowers, and capsular fruits. Euphorbia millii is a woody spiny shrub that grows up to 1 to 1.5 meters in height. It has an erect or spreading growth habit. The root system is fibrous, means thin and thread like, with a shallow spread, allowing the plant to absorb water efficiently in dry conditions. The stem is succulent, means thick and fleshy, storing water, and covered with sharp woody spines, means modified structures for defense. The stem contains latex, a milky toxic sap that helps in wound sealing and defense against herbivores. The leaves of Euphorbia millii are obovate, broadest near the tip and narrowing towards the base, to spatulate or spoon shaped. They are alternate, means arranged one per node along the stem. Deciduous means fall off seasonally and present mainly on the younger stems. Older stems often lost their leaves, giving the plant a spiny appearance. The inflorescence is cythium, a specialized floral structure unique to Euphorbia species, resembling a single flower but consisting of multiple reduced flowers enclosed in a cup-like involucre. The cythium is pedunculate, means borne on a stack. The actual flowers of Euphorbia millii are unisexual. Male and female flowers are separate, but present in a same cythium. Actinomorphic means they are radially symmetrical, and hypogynous means ovary positioned above the floral parts. Perianth. The true flowers lack the petals and sepals, but they are surrounded by bracts, which are modified leaf like structures that are bright red, pink, yellow, or white, and often mistaken for petals. Staminate or male flowers contain a single stamen, means pollen producing organ, with a dorsifixed anther. Pistillate or female flowers have a tricarpellary, syncarpous, trilocular ovary with the axile placentation. The fruit of Euphorbia millii is a capsule, a dry fruit that splits open at maturity with loculicidal dehiscence, splitting along locule walls. The seeds are small, smooth, and often ejected forcefully when the capsule bursts. In conclusion, Euphorbia millii is a unique, drought resistant plant with a distinctive thorny stem, specialized cythium inflorescence, and brightly colored bracts. Its adaptability to dry environments, ease of cultivation, and ornamental value make it widely grown species in gardens and homes.